Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add money to your Apple Pay. If you live in a supported country of Apple Pay, then here is how you do it. Firstly, make sure Apple Pay Cash is set up. Tap Settings and simply tap on the Wallet and Apple Pay and tap the Apple Cash toggle to enable it. Follow the instructions to verify your identity. Then, an Apple Pay Cash card should be added to the Wallet app. Open the Wallet app and tap the Apple Pay Cash card. Now, simply tap on the three horizontal dots in the upper right corner to access the Cash card settings. Then, simply tap Add Money and enter the amount to add to your card from the bank account associated with your Cash card. Choose an amount from the quick bar at the top of the dial pad or type in an custom amount, tap the Add button. Note, the bank account associated with the card can be seen on the same settings page and switched at any time. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.